questions today. I want to take opportunity when I'm outside and it's a beautiful day to show you a few lunges modifications. A lot of clients, especially after 50s, 60s that I've seen, have hard time getting stuff off the floor, picking up stuff with their lower back, straining their lower back just because they don't have a leg strength to do that. So a lot of times when I have clients with lower back issues, we focus on flexibility and mobility exercises, but we also have a focus on strengthening the legs so the client can start using their legs instead of their lower back to pick up things off the floor if they have laundry to carry, garbage, children to pick up, and things like that, grandchildren, it's very helpful to have strong legs, So I'll show you some progression for the lunges just because a lot of people cannot lunge fully without any assistance. So I just wanted to show you how you can build up the strength in the legs to get a little stronger to be able to lunge and get stuff off the floor again. So here it is. I'm going to move the chair here. So let me just move myself. Hopefully I can position myself. So you can use either railing or you can use the chair. Everybody has a chair. So I'm just going to put the camera down so you could see me, hopefully. There you go. You can see my chair. So I'm going to start with a backwards lunge. I'm going to move sideways. So you can use this, you can use this. Stepping back, we're focusing on the leg that stays in front. We're going to step back almost down all the way to the floor. As you see, I have a little past 90 degree here. Your knees right above your toes and pushing through your heel to bring it down. So as you see, I'm holding on to something. You can go as low as you can without any pain, and then the stronger you get, the lower you'll be able to do. If you can't do the lunge, it's too much strain, you can also do a little bit of deadlift holding on using the assistance. Same thing, we can do it for a side lunge. I'm going to move it. We're going to go to the side, like sitting down in a chair, bring it down and up. As you see, I can hold it initially, then we can move to just one arm hold, and then eventually we're going to move to no hold at all. Same thing for the forward lunge. You can have the chair to the side, step forward and come back. As you see, I'm holding on to the side. Eventually we'll be able to go down without assistance, and we can make it a bit more difficult. Go down and reach down. Again, as you pick up stuff off the floor, we want you to go down close to the body and lift it up instead of using your lower back a lot, so the leg strength is really important. So again, the backwards lunge, holding on the sideways lunge, the forward lunge can easily do with assistance of the chair or the railing. If you can't do the lunge at all, you can start with a squat. Squatting with assistance would be just holding onto something and pretending you're sitting down in a chair. As you see, holding on, the chair is tipping a little bit, so to do that it's easier just to have a railing, so you can rely on it a little more as you go down and up. Eventually you can go just to side hold. Eventually we'll be able to squat without any assistance. I hope it's helpful. Again, squats, lunges, working the front of your legs, the back of your legs, your glutes. To see I'm not wearing any shoes actually helps you working on stabilizing joints, stabilizing your ankle, stabilizing your knee. It's even better to do it without the shoes. I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, you can find me at Karina at pfsfit.com. See you soon. Bye.